Hey, you are back in the Project Cave with me. I am Kevin, and today's project is garage door rollers, okay? Not for this one's running fine, but the door on my wife's side, you know, the one where we replaced the springs earlier this year. Check out that video somewhere up here. Well, we replaced the springs, but now the door is still running rough, kind of clank, crash, loud. It's just not a good thing, and spray lubricant is no longer smoothing it out. We're going to replace the rollers. I'm only going to use 3 tools, a pair of locking pliers, 7/16 ratchet, and a 7/16 speed wrench, because one of the bolts I'm going to get to is really tight. I don't know if this is the right way to do it. This is my opinion, so be careful if you try it at your place. Also, garage door springs are under a lot of tension. Be very careful with what you're doing. If you have to release the tension on the springs, make sure you know what you're doing, and be safe. Let's get cracking. The best word to describe this garage door now is smooth. I finished replacing the rollers. Also, while I was at it, I hit the pulleys at the end of the springs and the top of the door with a little bit of spray lubricant, and this door is running much better. Much more pleasing to watch it go up and down, much less worrisome. If you're going to work on your garage door, be careful. Garage door springs can have a lot of tension in them and can cause serious injury if they break loose unexpectedly, and that can happen if you're not sure how to release the tension, so be careful. Also, working on the garage door while it is overhead, especially if you're messing with the track, can be very, very dangerous, okay? I don't want that garage door to fall on you, okay? I want us to keep getting together to make video, watch video, enjoy video, comment on video, like video, and if you like this one, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, ring the notifications bell, and leave a comment below. Tell me what you think or what you'd like to see in an upcoming project. I'm Kevin. I'll see you next time in the Project Cave.